YouTube channel TechnoHub. So in this video I'll show you that how to install paid or cash apps for free. Yes, for free. So let's start it. First you have to go to your web browser and search here Aptoide and install it. I've given the link in the description. You can go and download it. I've already downloaded, so let's install it. As you can see that it is installed now, so let's open it. So it is the main page of it. So don't need to sign up or login. So it is how the app looks like. You can see here. It is a search button, so let's search GTA Vice City. So here you can see that it is the game, and it is free to install. Otherwise, if you install it from Play Store, you have to pay there $2 or $3. But it is free to download from here. Yes, it is free to download from here. So and the other apps that are paid or cash apps that are also free to use from here, and the app is also free to use. So hope you guys like this app. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.